Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'm going to be taking Japan's shortest railway. I'm currently here at the station called Keisei-Narita to take the Shibayama Railway. Shibayama Railway runs from the iconic Higashi-Narita Station, which is also known as the old Narita International Airport, and a station called Shibayama-Chiyoda. Some of you may be wondering why I'm not taking it from Higashi-Narita Station instead of Keisei-Narita Station. That's because you can take the Shibayama Railway from here as well. It's just that from Keisei-Narita to Higashi-Narita Station, it'll run as the Keisei-Higashi-Narita line. And then on the same train from Higashi-Narita to Shibayama-Chiyoda, it'll run as the Shibayama Railways. So I'm gonna have to pay for both Keisei Railway and the Shibayama Railway. So it's kinda pricey despite the whole ride being only like 10 minutes long. Oh, here it is. The Shibayama Railway, heading towards Shibayama-Chiyoda Station. It takes 6 minutes to go from Keisei-Narita Station to Higashi-Narita Station, and it takes 3 or 4 minutes from Higashi-Narita Station to Shibayama-Chiyoda Station. This is where the track splits to the Higashi-Narita line and the Narita International Airport line. If you end up going straight, that means you took the wrong train and you f***ed up. Just on the side note, I filmed this in the middle of April and all of a sudden it was like 29 to 30 degrees, even though it was about 10 to 15 degrees a week ago. You'll find out more later when it's during the summer, but I have so many random animal short sleeve shirts. The one I wore today has the Okinawan fish on it, and it's called Gurukun. Here we are at Higashi-Narita Station. There's a decent amount of people getting on the train as well. Most people got off the train. Now that we passed the Higashi-Narita Station, we are on the Shibayama Railway line. This runs from Higashi-Narita Station to Shibayama-Chiyoda Station, and it is only 2.2 kilometers long. Heard some crossing sounds right now. And we are out of the tunnel. Right side there are some airplanes. Does that say JAL? Yeah, it says Japan Airlines over there. Nippon Cargo Airline. Oh, and just like that, we are almost at Shibayama-Chiyoda Station. Well, just got off at Shibayama-Chiyoda Station. Here's the overall vibes. What the heck was that? And here's the train. And I think this is gonna head over back to Keisei-Narita Station. That's a lot of destinations. There you go, Narita. Since this is a one-man train, there's only the train driver. And the train driver has to like keep walking back and forth like this every time he reaches the destination, the end destination, right? The thing is that it only takes 10 minutes to go from Keisei-Narita to Shibayama-Chiyoda Station. So he's probably walking back and forth so many times. So I'm right in front of the gates, and one thing I realized that they sell train goods here for Shibayama Railway. They have like keychains, magnet. Oh, that's a cool bottle cap opener. And then a mouse pad. Well, it's been 20 years, or at least 20 years, since this railway started running. So for Shibayama Railway, you can't use the IC card, so you have to pay by cash. すみません。あ、ここで払えば大丈夫ですか？はい、ありがとうございます。あ、すみません、ありがとうございます。Oh. I just got this photo from the staff. That's very nice of him. You get all the advertisement all you want. Everyone should ride this train. Well, anyway, so here's the overall vibe of Shibayama-Chiyoda Station. And here's the sign, the big entrance sign, or whatever you call this. Wait, what? Shibayama-Chiyoda Station on the left. Not quite. In fact, I'd be confused. Like, why is there a sign that says Shibayama-Chiyoda Station is on the left side when it's like right behind? That's actually funny. So imagine getting off here and then you look at this. You're like, oh, the Shibayama-Chiyoda Station is... I'd be confused if I first saw that sign. So here's what the fare chart looks like. Most of the trains go from Shibayama-Chiyoda to, what is it called? What is it? Keisei-Narita? But actually some of them go further. Some of them actually go to Keisei-Ueno Station as well. Another fact about this station is that because this is the only station the railway owns, there is a headquarters inside over here, or office. I don't know how big it is, but yeah. And the station, honestly, is bigger than I thought. I think the train is leaving right now. We should be able to see the train a little bit from here. Goodbye. Another cool thing is that the train staffs are actually really nice and helpful. They will go to passengers asking them if they have any questions. Maybe because this transit system can get a little bit complicated since it's connected to Keisei. Here's a map. Here's our Anna Maintenance Center. These are all like the maintenance area of the airport. I don't think passengers go on from here. So it's like engine repairing area. Jiao hangar. What the heck is a hangar? Line 設備ハンガー JAL センターストア JAL 設備工場 JAL 第二設備工場 Airport 6 Gate, a family mart. Wow, I think that's the most important place. Oh yeah, there's also a museum, like a airplane museum over here. It's 2.2 kilometers. I think that's the same distance from here to Higashi-Narita Station. The bus, it takes 5 minutes and it takes 30 minutes to walk. Also, there are 6 kamotsubiru, also cargo buildings over here. So you can take a bus to not only head over to the airport museum or the airplane museum I was talking about, you can also get to the airport from here as well. It comes like once every 20 to 40 minutes depending on the time. It comes way more often during weekdays compared to weekends. Maybe some people park around the station and then take the bus to head over to the airport for work. So it is about 4:15 p.m. right now. So about 15 minutes since the last train left. The next train will leave at 4:40 p.m. So I have about 25 minutes. So I'm gonna get on the next train and get off at Higashi-Narita Station. Maybe I should get something. Oh, that's cool. I might get this keychain. Does it have one for Higashi-Narita? Oh, kind of. I wish there was one specifically, just Higashi-Narita. I think I'm gonna get that one. Oh, these keychains are cool too. Oh, that and that is cool too. Which one should I get? ホルダーってどこで買えますか？あ、ここですか？はい。これでお願いします。はい。ありがとうございます。あ、すいません。あ、すいません。ありがとうございます。Wait, I got another one. I wish it was a different picture, but it's the same exact photo. I guess 2 is better than 1. It's actually really cool being able to see airplanes from this station. None of them are moving, yet at least, but it's still cool. Maybe I can get a clip of a plane flying before the train comes. It's a little bit unfortunate that this area is blocked off. I can't really see anything except this building that says Redwood. I don't know what airlines that is, but it's moving. Wonder if there's any other I keep saying trains. I wonder if there's any other planes that are moving. Instead, there's a train that's coming this way. The Shibayama Railway. I'm really far away from Why is it this long? Maybe it's because this train sometimes goes all the way to Ueno Station. And for those ones, maybe there are more cars, like at least 8 cars. There's only 4 cars on this train. I have about 15 minutes until that train's gonna leave. Hopefully I get to see a train. I keep saying train. Hopefully I get to see a plane that flies. Oh, there's a plane that's flying. Woo! Maybe I can see it when I edit this video. Look how close it looks. And then you zoom out to realize that, oh crap, it's actually really far away now. Okay, I'm pretty happy now, so I'm gonna get on the train. Oh, it's so chilly here. Feels like the right temperature for this place. Well, here is Higashi-Narita Station, and this used to be the old Narita International Airport station. Since I already made a video of me exploring around this area, I'm gonna end the video here. If you wanna watch that video of me exploring around this station, then just check this video out here. Alright, bye bye.